G'day guys, and a massive welcome to today's episode. What a friggin' massive, exciting episode this is.
We are so excited.
Right behind us here we have our brand new home, right from the chassis. It's just rolled in. We've got some exciting stuff going on in this van. There's a couple of sort of first things going on as well. So some mega tricks, little exciting parts on here. But we're mega excited. It's going to be able to show you guys a little bit through taking us on the journey with us through this van, going through the production line, getting bits and pieces done. We're going to get as much as we can of just sort of how our home goes together. Then of course we'll have our final, once it's all done, we'll have our final van rundown, which we're absolutely so stoked. This is we're excited about this one, aren't we?
Yeah, we're so excited. This is our third Lotus Caravan that we've built. Technically our fourth Lotus, but we are so excited. We feel like we have nailed every single tiny little aspect to this van, and we're so excited to show you how it gets built and behind the scenes in the factory here. So
yeah, mega excited. It's not a massive change from our last one, but the small minor changes are going to make it just the ultimate van.
Because as you know, we live in our van full time, so it's the tiny things that make all the difference.
Yeah, all right. Anyway, I'm excited. These guys we're holding them up. They're trying to get into start building. They just want to get a bit of film. So let's go. Well, it's all happened. We've come into the factory here, got the alley walls up, we've got our furniture sitting in there ready to go up probably tomorrow morning. That's all going to be happening.
Flooring's gone down, the vinyl's down.
Happy with the floor colour?
Yes, we chose the colour Odin and I'm very happy with it. It's very similar to the modern concrete black, our previous colour, but
we actually wanted this colour
in our
1 or 2 years ago.
Yeah, in both previous vans, but it wasn't available.
Wasn't available back then, but
out of stock. So.
Everything's up. It's looking really good. It's so cool to be in here and sort of see it. Obviously, you can hear it's all going on. It's very loud in here.
Workshop.
A lot happening, but it's so far it's looking sweet. So we're going to be coming in hopefully tomorrow. We should be able to get in the van and sort of have a bit of a walk around and
report on a bit more
and see what it feels like. Get used to the couple of changes that we're making. Well, it's all feeling pretty real now. You can really get the idea of how it's
feel of the floor plan and how it's all going to come together.
And we are stoked. Again, it's so cool to see this in this. So obviously the walls are up, as it were. The roof is now on. Everything's sort of happening. Everything's in place. All sort of getting settled in, all that. So you can obviously see. We can see some colours of our choices that we've made, which are
so happy
on point. Absolutely on point.
The little bits of the colours that we can see at the moment.
Because the floor plan wasn't massively different to our other van, but small enough, and yeah, I'm excited.
It's going to make the world of difference.
It's going to be bloody hard to beat, but it's so cool to see it all coming together now, to get the feel of it, and just knowing that it's just
it's all coming together.
It's so right, and I just know that by the time this thing is finished, it's going to be just absolutely amazing. But so cool to see it all come together. All the amazing parts that all happen in it. But again, it's just mega quality, and it's just
very exciting.
I want to move in now. I could literally chuck a mattress on the ground now. We could sleep in it, surely.
Not quite.
Surely. But the next step is going to be the electrical gets done, which is a lot of electrical going on in this van. So electrical all get done once that's Mickey Mouse and everything's sweet. Again, there's no lights in here at the moment, so it's a little bit dark. But all that will be happening. Aircon, all that sort of stuff will be going on then. Then, obviously the dye bond will start going on, all that sort of stuff. It's going to look really good there. So they've got that extra stealth mode.
Yes.
Going to look sick. So that's probably going to be the next sort of stages. And then from there, it's kind of, I feel like a lot of the major components are in and good to go. So it should be a pretty sort of, I guess, quick process.
Smooth,
smooth process after this. But I'm so excited if this all will come together. Well, she's getting close now. The van is at the front of the production line here, so it's nearly at the last stages there. So still a bit going on. They're doing the battery system at the moment there because there's something pretty special going on there. The battery system, it's a lot going on. So a few little upgrades to what we did last time, which is one of the most things I'm excited about this new van. So it was awesome. I got to see, it's been so good to see going through the process here. We've been sort of popping in once a day and just sort of having a bit of a look at what's going on. But it was awesome I was chatting to the guy that was doing the silicon up on the roof, because he's actually doing it for like 20 or 30 years. He said he's made his own caravans, worked for pretty much all other manufacturers as well. So he was saying that, just show me how the silicon goes up on the roof there. And just, he said out of all the ones, Lotus do the most, put the most effort into doing the silicon job on top. Extra over the top, and how they do the little welds with the silicon and that. It's just so good for obviously the dust and water, because generally we don't get to see the roof. When we see the roof, it's full solar panels, which it is right now. So we've got seven 200 watt panels on here, but it's so cool to see the amazing job they do underneath to keep these things sealed for the long run.
Just see that?
Yep.
Keep pushing all the way through. Go. Keep going. There you go.
I like that. Okay.
That's it. Now look at all the aluminium you got on. That's good work.
I hope you're enjoying today's episode. We want to take a quick moment to let you guys know what we offer for you on our website. We've got a full range of Traveling Campers merch.
We've got men's, women's, kids' tees, and we've even got some hoodies and stickers as well.
We've also got information about our setup, and we've also got a full detailed rundown on there of how we've gone from back in the day, if you've been following for a while, to rarely traveling to now traveling full time. We share absolutely everything on there with how we've done it, and there's an opportunity in there if it interests you to check it all out, and maybe even 2023 is the year to make a change for you. You can jump on there, go through a quick process, or jump in the DMs on our social media. You'll be in contact with our personal assistants, and we're about to help you guys out. Now, we don't ask for much, but take a quick second to jump on. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like. Also, drop a comment below of what your favorite part of the episode was. And you can also turn on the little bell reminder so you don't miss any moments of Traveling Campers.
Thanks so much, guys. Enjoy the rest of the episode.
The van's been up on the hoist. It's so bloody good having this. This is where they put the van up. They can do all the under protection. So each tank has got its own protection under there now. And this is where they do their sort of last quality controls to make sure everything's good under there. A lot better than trying to climb under the van all dark and not see stuff. So it makes it mega easy having these hoists so they can really get a good idea of what's going on, make sure everything is all Mickey Mouse. So it's been awesome to come in while they're doing this, have a good look under there ourselves, and everything. It's just all nice and protected, all nice and good. So they're happy, and my quality control is happy also, which is the main thing. Well, caravan life, it seems to be sort of taking its toll a little bit. Me and Michaela we just can't stop bloody arguing. So it's like, you know, we're living in the one van together. So it's like, what do? Do we sell up, go back to living in a friggin' house? Like, what the hell do we do? So I've come up with a little bit of solution. So what we got, I got the brand new van now, and Michaela's got her own van as well. So you sleep in there, I'll sleep in there, and happy days. What do you reckon?
And Georgia can just decide where she wants to go from there.
Exactly. No, I'm joking. We don't even friggin' argue. We don't argue, but it's pretty bloody cool. We've got the both vans here. This one is about to go. It's going on a ship over to Perth to the new owner. So we've been having them side by side, moving into it, cleaning it. And look, it's been a pretty hectic time. It's moving houses, but I'm very, very, very sad. This van is going. It's the last time. It's going back to Perth. Yeah, going back over to Perth. So really sad, but let's just take a moment. Let's just go back. Let's together. You guys have been here for the last 12, 13 months of this van. Let's have a little moment of silence, a little moment of appreciation. A trip down memory lane. Of the Trooper 19.6 foot. seriously, this is looks so freaking tough. Having both the vans, it's not every day that you're gonna own two Lotus vans at the same time. So it's pretty cool. We got a couple of photos while they're together, and we're literally going to hitch this thing on right now. Take it in. It's getting picked up, and then it's gonna be on its way. So
off it goes.
Absolute amazing friggin' van that has been the best. Absolute best.
Good.
So
but now
this is just like what 2.0. It's just kind of like a
the tweaks.
Yeah, a couple little bolt-ons, you know, all those that makes things just a little bit better. So that's what this thing is. Alrighty, we're back in Mildura. We're parked up at my parents' house at the moment. We've been filming you guys our rundown on our new van, doing some stuff, being consistent with the gym all day, doing some physio, getting some stuff done to my knee, and just in a bit of a killer routine while we're sort of back here waiting for the car to get done. The car's getting pretty much fully repainted, so a bit of panel damage and that, a bit of panel work, so it's probably about 2 weeks away. It's nearly, they've booked it in for 3 weeks. I'm hoping end of next week should be able to get it so we can get the hell out of here and start heading up north. But I come home to a nice little bit of a package I wanted to share with you guys. Got a bit of a nice package here from the guys at Bunbury KTM. So what I've got down here is I've got some brand new Fox gear. Got a brand new Fox helmet, 2 sets of gear down there. Brand new set of boots. I love these colors. This is the 2023 Fox gear. And then look, if you really know your motorbike stuff, down here, I've been waiting for this for so bloody long. I've got a set of WP cone valve forks. So these are the factory forks. I've had the WP Track Shock, which is the factory shock, on the back of the bike for quite a while, and it's just so freaking good. So the forks I've got on there at the moment are actually off Toby Price's. The last bike he did at Hatter, those forks, I got them off the KTM team when Ben Grabban was back in the team back then. So they've been absolutely awesome, but I've had them for ages. And these forks are pretty bloody cool. So I'm excited to get them on the bike, test them out, and just, man, I'm so excited to get back on the bike and to start doing some riding again. So excited for all this gear. Massive shout out to the guys at Bunbury KTM. And I'm extremely excited to get the suspension on, get this new gear on, and get out there and enjoy it.
I'm on the tools.
There's nothing on it. You say get discounts on your van. you gotta build half of that.
Done my hard day's work. I'm having a super duper.